all my people in wonderful YouTube land. So in today's video guys, I would like to draw y'all an audio cassette tape. And this is something definitely that can go down into memory lane for all the people born in the 80s and 90s. Because this is the thing that we used to listen to our favorite songs, maybe record a favorite song off a radio station when it came on, and it was always a game as to play tag as to time the song and the blank tape just to get your favorite song recorded on. The thing what is really amazing is I really never thought something like this would actually become completely obsolete. I mean, as of right now, I'm sure it's something that just sits in somebody's old drawer, or maybe an audio cassette box, and is just a forgotten relic. And these little teeth, it's amazing that it was used to play the songs, or the little device that would go through it would roll and play songs. And then whenever you had the tape unwind, you would use a pencil and put it through those and wind it back up so you could salvage an audio cassette before it had to be thrown out or was completely mangled. The thing what's amazing is how the audio cassette has completely been replaced by iPods and so many digital devices that are nowadays there. But the fun memories of this cassette is, you know, when you had to listen to your favorite song, if it was a track that was on the third or the fourth track on the tape, it was always doing the rewind and fast forward just so you could start that song, and then if you wanted to listen to it all over again, you would do the same thing and rewind and record, and you know, all that funny jazz. I'm sure all the people born again from the 80s and 90s can relate to this. So more than drawing this audio cassette and enjoying drawing it, I think it was more like a trip down memory lane. And it's cool to know all the good memories. I mean, I remember when my first ever cassette plate, or what I was going to say is when I first got my first Sony Walkman, that was like the most fun thing I ever had, because now I was like, man, I have the ability to take an audio cassette and actually go mobile and actually be able to listen to a song track anywhere other than just the radio. So I know that's a device for another time. Maybe I'm gonna draw it at a later time down the road. But let's focus on today being the audio cassette and let him be the star of this video. And I don't know, there's so many things that have come through the years and have gone, and it's just nice to remember the good memories that are attached to these. I know these are non-living things, but I think when you think back on these audio cassettes to a time where you had your favorite song play, or you had a favorite recording that you wanted to do, it's always nice to know that these things were there at the time, you know. I mean, like maybe it got you through some bad times, or maybe it had you get to some good times. I mean, for me, it was a mixture. I mean, like, you know, when we had our favorite songs playing, it was always like, you know, playing at the parties or at somebody's birthday. You know, you would always have the DJ rewind and fast forward to play your favorite song so you could just keep dancing along and have a good time. So yeah, so this video, more than being just a how to draw video, is more like a going down in memory lane. I know I already said this earlier on, but it's just reliving a good memory from that time. So hopefully somebody out there can maybe relate to a nice wonderful audio cassette tape and had fun following along and drawing. And I think I have some more things that I would like to draw for y'all that'll probably take you down memory lane and maybe have some good memories attached to it. So till the next one guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will catch y'all on the next video. Bye for now.